A vehicle, actually several vehicles were struck, okay? You guys took off. No, you're driving, correct? Okay, you're in the car, correct? So you guys took off, struck a guardrail, probably nearly hit several more vehicles. Okay, hurry up. Put your bra back on and step out. Okay.
On the 15th of March, 2026, this incident raised three distinct legal questions: the lawfulness of the seizure, the procedural integrity of the DUI investigation, and the limits on custodial questioning. Ordering occupants out of a lawfully stopped vehicle is squarely permitted under Pennsylvania versus Mims. No additional suspicion is required, because the interest in officer safety alone justifies the command at any otherwise valid traffic stop. The investigation then lawfully expanded from a crash inquiry into an impaired driving inquiry, once observable indicators supplied the reasonable suspicion needed to proceed. Under Florida Statute Section 316.193, driving under the influence requires impairment of normal faculties or an unlawful blood or breath alcohol concentration of 0.08. If the vehicle left a crash involving property damage, Section 316.061 imposes a separate duty to stop and exchange information.
Charlie, 224 flag, repeat copy, tell me.
Yeah.
Out of Florida, Zulu 82 Alpha Golf Uniform ZA2 AGU, occupied by a white female. And a white male. Step out.
Confirming a white female and a white male.
10-4, and it's possibly signal too.
Copy. Possibly signal too.
Do you see the situation you're in? Okay, well, a vehicle, actually several vehicles were struck, okay? You guys took off. No, you're driving, correct? Okay, you're in the car, correct? So you guys took off, struck a guardrail, probably nearly hit several more vehicles. Okay, hurry up. Put your bra back on and step out. Okay. Yeah. No, you got about 5 seconds before I take you out.
Step out.
Put her bra. It's upside down.
Alright, listen.
10-4 comes back.
Oh, good.
Negative to William McDaniel, 47 Lloyd Trail.
Yeah.
Why are you driving?
Hold on. Are you gonna, okay, stop for a second. Are you gonna put her bra on, yes or no?
Sure.
You need to take it off? Well, I need him to help put her thing on.
And target.
It's completely upside down. She needs to remove it, turn it up. It needs, she needs to take it off and flip it upside down.
How can I help her put it on?
Can you help me?
Okay.
Here we go.
Alright.
Can you help me?
Do you have a shirt at all? Do you have a shirt in the car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Walk over to the side.
223 doesn't need another. I can get out of the box truck.
Stand right there. Okay.
10-4, just for your 14, we do have call history. I looked up the tag. There's a previous 20 Delta. Delta carrying signal 0 vehicle. Also, provided by information regarding an LEO. Previous call.
Charlie 224, I copy. Also show whiskey, Foxtrot 15. Yeah. This one's gonna get signaled. Do you have shoes in the car?
Sandals.
That's... Oh. Yeah. You got it for a second?
Do you want to use that the original crash site, or is somebody already there?
Hey! Hey!
I don't don't know if anybody made contact with the
I
original
think.
crash scene. All 3 units are
Call
connected
Gino.
with the signal 2 subject.
If you want me to do that,
I'll be
I'll get tomorrow.
10-4, thank you.
Alright, you got anything on you? Any weapons?
No.
Narcotics? Anything that's gonna stick me or poke me?
No. No.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I saw it on my way here. I was
Baby. Awesome.
for now. Alright. You can have a seat. Where's your shirt?
In the car, brother.
Alright. It's gonna take a second to
Is
find
it
the shirt.
okay? He's so awesome that you almost trying to call you. Daddy.
Yeah. Jesus.
Is she the only one involved? Or?
He's passenger. She's driver.
Master, I'm daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, can I just contact with you, daddy?
Not yet. And I don't know if you saw from down there. There's like 4 cars hit the guardrail, booked it up here. There's like, I don't know if any of these cars got hit, but I don't know where to begin right now.
Baby!
Okay, Marina. You can have a seat there. I'm gonna ask you I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
Yes.
These are your Miranda rights.
Real quick though, we are done. We're done with the crash portion of everything we have to do.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're gonna now switch over to a DUI investigation. Okay, she's gonna read you something.
You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand these rights?
Yes.
Okay. With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to
Yes.
them? Okay. What's going on here? What happened?
On the Fifth Amendment, timing is decisive. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, ordinary roadside questioning is non-custodial and requires no warning, while Miranda versus Arizona attaches only once the suspect is in custody. Custody is measured objectively by whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave. Here, physical restraint and the announced shift to a DUI investigation place the encounter firmly within custody, making the warning not merely prudent, but necessary. By advising those rights before any custodial questioning, the officer eliminated one of the most common suppression arguments in DUI litigation. Field sobriety exercises occupy separate doctrine. Because they elicit physical performance rather than testimonial communication, they generally fall outside Miranda's protection and may proceed on the voluntary consent the encounter establishes on the record.
If we take the handcuffs off over here, will you be willing to
Yes.
submit some field sobriety exercise
Yes.
if you can?
Yes.
Okay, we'll give it a shot. We're gonna come over here in front of the car. Well, let's see how it works.
That's why,
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go up on that cement portion. Watch your step here. Okay, stop right there. I'm gonna take these. Yeah. Do you want to just move the rocks a little bit? I also have duct tape in my car. So. Go anywhere.
Citation Boulevard, status check.
Okay. Huh? Yeah. Yes, please.
Alright, Charlie 313, contact 216, stand check.
Okay. Stand right here. Okay. I'm gonna check your eyes, okay? Yes. Keep your feet together, so step with your feet together.
Charlie.
Oh, get it. You're okay. Can you put your feet together? Like this?
Charlie 223.
Can you notate
Alright, I'm going to check your eyes. Keep your feet together and your hands at your sides. Just like that. Keep your head still and follow this pen with your eyes on your eyes only, okay? Do not move your head. Okay? Can you point to the tip of the pen?
216, Charlie 313, stand check.
Can you point to the tip of the pen?
Copy.
You can point. Good. With your finger.
Sorry to be 22, stand check.
Okay, we'll begin.
Copy.
Okay. Good. Alright, so now we're going to do the walk and turn, okay? So you see this line right here?
Yeah.
Watch it, yeah, put her back.
Okay.
Okay? Stand with your feet together, your arms by your side. Alright. What you're going to do is you're going to place your right foot directly in front of your left foot with your heel. Before, let me explain something. Alright. So keep your feet together while I complete the instructions. Don't move until I tell you to do so, okay? So put your feet back together. Put them like this. Okay, we're calling it.
Put your hands behind your back.
No worries.
No.
Alright, let's go back to the car.
215?
I'll call for it.
Alright, watch your steps here.
Don't mind driving through.
I got it.
What we'll do is let her get out of here first before we take him out of handcuffs. That way she's out of the scene. I got it.
Yep. So you want your phone with you, right?
Yeah.
And it's in the fishing bag in the front?
Yes.
Okay.
Can someone
What else do
I
you
want to call me.
need? Your phone, and what else do you need?
Call me daddy.
Okay.
Charlie, keep going.
As long as you cooperate.
Everything's okay.
Okay. Be careful.
Everything's okay.
I'm sorry? When you get inside, yeah. Inside, not right here.
Admissibility of those exercises turns on administration. Improper technique on the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, such as an incorrect stimulus distance, is among the most litigated grounds for exclusion, so standardized instruction carries real evidentiary weight. Any subsequent chemical test is governed by Florida's implied consent statute, Section 316.1932, and by Birchfield v. North Dakota, which permits a warrantless breath test but requires a warrant for blood. No use of force standard under Graham v. Connor is implicated, because the encounter reflects verbal control and routine restraint rather than an application of force. The constitutional architecture is therefore conventional, and the officer's principal achievement is procedural discipline. He earns a B. Sound Miranda sequencing, documented consent, and a debris-cleared testing surface, undercut by 2 avoidable verbal lapses that cost a higher mark. The driver earns a C+, assessed solely on observable conduct. Cooperative and non-resistant, yet exposed to self-incrimination she was always free to decline. The underlying allegations remain unproven and are not treated here as established fact. The passenger, peripheral throughout the encounter and offering little evaluable conduct of his own, earns a C, reflecting neither meaningful cooperation nor any notable escalation on camera. The lesson for officers is that procedure is evidence. A clean Miranda waiver and recorded consent often decide a DUI case long before trial, while a careless on-camera remark can undermine an otherwise solid arrest. The lesson for citizens is equally clear. Field exercises and questioning are voluntary, and the right to decline and to request counsel survives every roadside stop, no matter how routine the encounter may appear. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.